Are you a busy person that you don't go home, but rather you sleep at the hotel or a guest house? Then this video belongs to you. Please get closer. Before I continue, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment under this video. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you for making me number one. And our new subscribers too, you are welcome. Yes, today we are going to discuss about some of the key things in spirituality that pull us back. I've named it Spiritual Key 101. A businessman, a businesswoman, somebody who's so busy in his daily life, doesn't sleep at home because they travel from here, blah blah blah, to different locations. So the hotel or the guest house, it's their home, or the Airbnb is their home. It's a nice stuff. But there's one thing we forget. Anytime we book some of these places, we experience disappointment. When we go home, there's bad luck at home. We quarrel with our family. At times, we lose job. Let me tell you the secret. Some of these big 5-star hotels, even the CEO doesn't have the idea what some of the cleaners have been doing. Some of the cleaners connive with occult leaders, bad spiritual people, to harm us. That is why I advise or suggest that anytime you are booking or you are going to a hotel, guest house, Airbnb, make sure you go along with your personal soap, your blanket or your spread sheet or your bed sheet, pillow. I'll talk about the pillow, and your towel. Yes, when somebody gets your towel, your soap or your leftover soap, your blanket, your bed sheet, you are doomed. Most of the times we forget. So when we check out from a hotel, motel, etc., we leave the soap there. It is bad practice. Let me say that again. It is a bad practice to leave the soap at the hotel. That is why you need to send your own soap, your personal soap, your towel, your sponge. When you go and there's a towel, please don't use it. The towel is not for only you. It's for so many souls. And how do you determine a good soul and a bad soul? That is why you need to send your own towel, your sponge, and your soap. If you don't have a soap and there's a new soap there, make sure that after you use it and you are checking out, please take that soap. The leftover soaps or the leftover soap here, some of the cleaners have contacts with these bad nuts, spiritual people, and occults. They pick it and made money out of it. At the end of the day, when they use that soap on their spiritual blah blah blah, it has affection on you because your soul is in that soap. A lot of people have been dying slowly, sicknesses that they don't know where they took it from. It's from this soap or this bad experience at the hotel. Bad experience we using a hotel towel, guest house towels and stuff. Some of these cleaners are evil. They make money more than the CEO. They make money more than the director of the hotel. I'm speaking from the spiritual perspective. Please, never ever be in a hurry that you are Never ever be in a hurry. Otherwise, you end up dying on the streets. When you are checking out, pick everything, towel, everything from the hotel for your soul to be safe. Let me know at the comment section if you've experienced something like sicknesses, diseases, disappointment, or even losing your job after checking out from a hotel. This small mistake that we do end up harming us. Don't sleep on their pillow. Somebody will say, then you don't have to sleep on the bed itself. The bed doesn't have anything in it. It is the bed sheet or the blanket. So when you go to hotel, you just put the pillow somewhere, lay your bed sheet or your blanket on the bed and sleep. Don't use their towel. Do not use their soap. Or even when you use their soap, if it is new, when you use it, don't leave the remaining one there. Take it along with you. Or you can still use your personal soap and take it along. Never leave anything at the hotel. The bad nuts are everywhere. The evil ones are everywhere.